Everyone must go and check the LayerEdge website whether the wallet is eligible or not. So very early today, like they released this latest update in their website. They added it like the features that they are going to give in the airdrop. So they call it that like a feature phases, like a feature that are going to get in your airdrop. So before you go direct into our video, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, and then click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you know that we have been completed our proof of humanity right today, like in this day, like on 25th, they brought this picture, as you can see, picture faces, which is it is like a main criteria that we are going to get in the airdrop. Over 95 million people that have been participating in LayerEdge, but the people that have been passing the LayerEdge proof of humanity, it's not more than like 1 million people. Like earlier today, they have been announced like reaching to 450 users that have been fasting, that have been fully eligible. So let's go and check like whether my wallet is being eligible for the airdrop or not. So let's click on this picture faces. So as you can see, like they have made it clear here, you are eligible for the feature phases. So congratulations to me, I have been eligible for the airdrop, like for the feature phases that are going to given the community. And then as you can see, like here, you have passed the VOH with at least one attestation, so you are eligible to participate in this feature phases. Stay tuned. So to being eligible for the feature phases, you have to be at least to pass a VOH, like with at least one attestation, or 2 or 3. So like it depends on how many like attestation that you have been completed. Just like even adding other attestation, it is not gonna like affect your airdrop, whether they are going to increase your airdrop. Adding like increment of attestation, maybe it's going to like increase in your airdrop whenever they are going to calculating the allocation. So as you can see, like here is my complete not point that I've been getting. I get 3,211,475 total note that I've been getting for the phase 1 and 2. So congratulations to me once again, I've been eligible for the future phases. So we don't know like what they are going to do. So if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.